The Realme Neo 7 Turbo is a powerhouse smartphone that brings together cutting-edge technology, premium design, and high-end features, all packed into a futuristic body that stands out in a crowd. It's a device tailored for users who crave flagship-level performance, advanced photography, and standout aesthetics without diving into ultra-premium price tags. Starting with the display, the Realme Neo 7 Turbo features a 6.5-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel, offering rich colors, deep blacks, and stunning contrast. The display is not only vibrant, but also super smooth, thanks to its 120 Hz refresh rate, which enhances scrolling, gaming, and overall user interaction. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, playing graphic-intensive games, or just browsing the web, this screen delivers an immersive and responsive experience every time. Powering this beast is the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset, built on TSMC's advanced 4nm process. This processor features a powerful 3.4 GHz Cortex-X4 core, making the Realme Neo 7 Turbo exceptionally fast and efficient. From gaming to multitasking to video rendering, this phone handles everything you throw at it with ease. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, it ensures lightning-fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and superior data speeds for an overall lag-free performance. Photography is another area where the Realme Neo 7 Turbo excels. It boasts a triple camera setup, starting with a flagship-grade 50MP Sony IMX882 primary sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization. This ensures crystal-clear shots even in low light or shaky conditions. Accompanying it is an 8MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 50MP telephoto lens allows users to zoom in without compromising image quality. Whether it's daylight, night photography, or portraits, this versatile camera system delivers impressive results across the board. Battery life is one of the biggest highlights of the Realme Neo 7 Turbo. It houses a massive 7,000 mAh battery, which offers incredible endurance, lasting comfortably for up to 2 days on a single charge with regular use. And when it's time to juice up, the device supports 100W fast charging, allowing you to recharge in just a matter of minutes, eliminating long charging breaks and keeping you connected throughout your busy day. When it comes to design, Realme has truly gone bold with this model. The semi-transparent back panel is inspired by the iconic Nothing smartphones, giving users a peek into the internals and creating a futuristic, industrial look. Available in two stunning colors, transparent black and transparent gray, the design is not just eye-catching, but also feels premium in hand, thanks to its sturdy build and modern aesthetics. On the software side, the Realme Neo 7 Turbo runs on the latest Android 15, led with Realme UI 6, offering a clean, customizable, and fluid user experience. This interface is optimized for performance and battery life, with plenty of smart features like floating windows, enhanced privacy controls, smooth animations, and personalized themes to enhance everyday use. Other noteworthy features include dual stereo speakers for immersive audio quality, NFC support for contactless payments and connectivity, and advanced memory and storage technologies that ensure future-ready performance. The combination of LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage not only boosts speed, but also ensures apps load instantly and run smoothly in the background. In summary, the Realme Neo 7 Turbo is a complete package designed for performance lovers, gamers, content creators, and design-conscious users. It combines a high refresh rate AMOLED display, next-gen MediaTek chipset, versatile camera system, monster battery, and bold design, all tied together with the intelligent Realme UI 6 experience. It's not just a smartphone, it's a statement.